Okay, hello to everyone. So I want to show you what is inside in the box when you order the kit for spare wheel change from the Skoda. From the Skoda and Simply Clever. So let's go to check it together what is inside. So I open it. So we have here some brochure when we can see kit for spare wheel change, Simply Clever, so we can see what everything is in the box in this paper, and we can also see how to use it in the car. So where to input these all tools. So we have here English and also other languages. So let's check next. So we have here the key, some plastic screw, then some belt, and here is the tools for pusher, for lifter. So for this lifter, open it everything together. So this and this and this and this and this. It's really very difficult to open it, but we have it anyway. Okay, it's really heavy, and we can see here some 1100 kilogram. Okay, I return it back. So this is everything you can find inside. So thank you for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe.